The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for Newcastle County, Delaware, Kent County, Maryland, plus the following New Jersey counties, Gloucester and Salem, plus the following Pennsylvania counties, Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery. Effective until 6:48 p.m., the National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flood warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a large area of moderate to heavy rains about to move across areas that received heavy rains earlier today. A few scattered thunderstorms will also create excessive rainfall at times. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Some locations that may experience flooding include Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Chester, Phoenixville, Pennsville, Coatesville, Westtown, Carneys Point, Downingtown, and Fulcroft. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between exits 301, 326, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 10, Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 0 and 23, Interstate 295W Jersey between mile markers 0 and 6, Interstate 476 in Sylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. Rains will affect the evening rush hour across the Philadelphia suburbs area. Prepare for a slower than normal commute this evening. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turnaround, Don T. Brown Warnings.